One more video, here we go. Biggest box from Ducati of the week. What's up, my friends? It's almost a video every day. One more box, one more surprise box from Ducati. I actually picked up single-sided swing arm track stand. And so I got the Ducati track stand. Surprisingly, it was actually less than some of the other brands, which is crazy. And so looks like it's plug and play, no tools, snaps together. Looks like the insert is already on. And so let's see what's in the box. Oh, Ducati. Instructions, love it. This thing literally snaps together. 2 different sizes of axle inserts. And that should be that. So this is a 2-piece, not a 1-piece. So let's get all the straps in. There's the rear. Nice. And the front. And here we go. This literally has a pressure fit on either side. Just slide these together. And there is a little bit of an up angle. That's going to go up, of course, not down to the ground. So then when you lift the bike, it sits flat. Had to give that one more slam. Here's how this works. Just need this fitting all the way flush, so it's all the way in. And that's that, you're good. All right, so if anyone saw the last track stand I had for the Monster was a double-sided, so you actually had to have the inserts, the pegs on either side, and then would lift up like a fork and pick them up. These guys, so simple. This insert is already pre-set up for the size of axle. Just gonna slide that guy in. I'll get that all the way in, straighten up the bike, stand it up, we're good to go. There we go. Just get your bars straight. I like to keep the kicks down just in case. Gonna lift it up straight, pull back on my back wheel. That's that. Track stand. Favorite toy. If you don't have a track stand, you gotta get one.